This is another great model from MiroMind AI and it is MicroThinker 1.7. They have also released another mini version. This mini version is 30 billion parameter and the big model is 235 billion parameter. MicroThinker 1.7 is not just another AI chatbot, it is a next generation research agent designed to think, verify, and solve complex problems like human analyst. And also, they have released their chat interface on their official website where you can try this model for free. And also, they have released one research paper. You can go through this. And the benchmark also quite very interesting. You see that this model is also fighting with the top tier models from OpenAI GPT-5, Claude 4.5 Opus. This is quietly very interesting. So let's talk a bit about this model. MicroThinker breaks problems into multiple steps and it uses tools like web search and code execution and continuously verifies its own reasoning to improve the accuracy. So if you scroll down below here you see the key features they have mentioned. It supports the 256K context window, long horizon reasoning and also deep multi-step analysis. And the interesting thing is that it handles up to 300 tool calls per task now with more accurate stepwise reasoning and decision making. So the thing is that this makes it especially powerful for tasks like research, data analysis, and multi-step decision making. So one of its biggest innovation is interactive scaling. What is that? This model improves its output by actively refining and validating each step instead of relying only on size or training data. So now to try this model, I can go to their official website and here if I just ask a question like what is the probability of release GPT-6 this year and now after this press enter and you will see that it will just think and do the research from various resources and found 10 results here you see and this model is also very fast and you know that on each day you will get some free credits here you see that daily free credits free 100 credits every day you will get that is enough for your standard mode query so here you see that it is doing its work and it will take some time as it is doing the deep research and in this way you can actually use this model on their official website otherwise you can download it locally. So in simple terms, MicroThinker 1.7 represents a shift from AI that just responds to AI that actually thinks, researches and delivers reliable solution and it is making it a strong foundation for the future of intelligent AI agents. All of these links are given in description so please try it out and let me know your thought with this model in comment section.